Apply discounts on WooCommerce product bundles. Navigate to WooCommerce products, and click on Add New to create a new product. Set a name for the product bundle, for instance, Clothes Bundle. And select an image for your product bundle. Now navigate to the Product Data panel, and select Product Bundle as the product type. After selecting Product Bundle as the product type, the Product Bundles tab will appear in the Product Data panel. Now in the Product Bundle tab, click the Add Bundle button to add a new bundle item. In Item 1, in the Products field of the bundle item, search for a product and select it. Now in the Discount field, you can set percentage, or price, or fixed price discount on the products. For example, we set percentage discount. And set a value for the discount. Now we click on Add Bundle button to add a new item. Now in Item 2, in the Products field, we search for a product and select it, then set a discount for the selected item. That, for example, we select a 20% discount for this item. At the end, navigate to the top of the page and click on the Publish button to publish the bundle product in your WooCommerce store. Now click on Permalink to see the product bundle page. Now, on the bundled product page, we select a product for each item. You can see that a 20% discount has been applied to the price of the product. And in the Item 2, you can see that the set 20% discount has been applied. Now we click on Add to Cart button to see the cart page. You can also see the applied discounts on the cart page. Thanks for watching. Please support us by like and subscribe our channel, and check the description for more information.